how to download anime episodes to watch offline. I'm going to tell you how to download anime episodes to watch offline. Pull up your preferred browser. Mine is Google Chrome. Then go to crunchyroll.com. This is one of the most popular platforms for streaming anime. If you don't have an account yet, create one and log in. Once you're in, pick a subscription plan that allows offline viewing. Only the Mega Fan or Ultimate Fan tiers offer this feature. After you've paid, launch the Crunchyroll app. Now search for an anime you want to watch. Select the episode, hit play, and you'll see a little download arrow or download icon. Tap that. You'll also find the gear icon for the video settings. Choose your preferred quality, but keep in mind that higher quality means bigger file size and longer download time. Once it's done, the episode is saved to your device under the My List or offline viewing section.